Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we've got an absolute cracker for you. In fact, it's going to be one of those videos that I think... not again. Rishi again. Every time. Hi Rishi, how's it going? Yeah, I know you're on Clubhouse tomorrow. Yeah. I'm a little bit annoyed actually because I was on Clubhouse as well tomorrow, but you know. Yeah, is that what you've called for? Just to explain that? Oh, no? You've launched what? Really? What, the VAT Deferment scheme? No way. Well, you should have led with that one. I'm going to have to tell everyone about that. Definitely. All right, I'll get on that now. Cheers for that. That's brilliant. Yeah, good luck with Clubhouse. Yeah. No, I'm sure you'll do great. No need to be nervous. You'll be fine. All right, cheers for that. That's brilliant. I'll get on with telling everyone about that though. That's great news. Thanks for that. Bye now. Sorry about that. So it's finally here, the opportunity for us to claim our VAT deferment directly from our business tax summary page. We've been waiting this for a while because this is going to make it so much easier for clients to go in and get that deferment nice and quickly. Follow me on this journey where we look at how to apply for that VAT deferment in nice easy steps. If you remember last year when we went into lockdown, one of the incentives that we were given from HMRC was the requirement for us not needing to pay that 31st of March quarter end VAT return, or whatever the equivalent you had close to that point. What HMRC gave us was a 12-month grace period to pay it by the 31st of March. What they've also given us is an extension to that and given us an opportunity to pay for that in installments. So what we're going to look at now is how do we pay for that in installments. If you claim for that VAT deferment, this is one not to miss. Let's have a look.
I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me.
Hello, my name is Aaron Patrick. I'm a chartered accountant, a certified UK trainer from Intuit, fancy new logo, that QuickBooks chap on the internet, and also head of accounts over at Bofix. As I said in the intro, this is huge news. This is the ability that if you've claimed for that VAT deferment from 31st of March 2020, you now have the ability to apply for that deferment scheme, meaning that you have the ability to spread the payments that were originally going to be due 31st of March 2021. Let's have a look and see how we can do that to make sure that you're not going to be adversely affected by having to pay for it all in one go. Let's have a look. Okay, first of all, you need to get yourself into your government gateway. And this is your own business government gateway, the one that you would look at if you're going to be looking at your VAT at any point in time. Get yourself signed in. You might be sent an access code, so make sure you get that access code and put that one in. And here you should be in your business tax account just at the top there. Now, this does mean you need to have access to this business tax account. With the dates being as they are, I highly recommend you do this sooner rather than later. If you've never had access to that tax account before, there's potential for you to actually have to request a code that needs to be sent by post. So do not delay, make sure that you have access to this tax account. Let's have a look. Okay, from here then, on the main page, it's going to tell you here that you've got the VAT Deferment new payment scheme just in front of me. It's going to tell you if you're eligible or not, and it's going to give you access to it from here. You can join the scheme until the 21st of June 21. Instead of paying the full amount of your deferred VAT immediately, you can pay in smaller interest-free instalments. The number of instalments depend on when you join the scheme. You may have to pay interest or a penalty if you do not join the scheme or pay in full. So from here then, I'm going to click on this new link, VAT Deferment Payment Scheme. From here, it's going to give me the opportunity then to apply directly for the scheme. Pay VAT deferred due to coronavirus. Find out how to pay VAT payments deferred between 20th of March and 30th of June 2020. You can now pay or join the VAT new deferment scheme. So on here, it's going to tell you if your deferred payments due between 20th of March 2020 and 30th of June 2020 still have payments made, you can pay the deferred VAT in full on or before the 31st of March 2021. But if you are struggling financially, this is where the deferment scheme comes into play. Join the VAT deferment scheme, new payment scheme. The online service open between the 23rd of February 2021 and the 21st of June 2021. Contact HMRC on that phone number if you need extra help or agree extra help by the 30th of June. So as you scroll down, it gives you the options. So if you join by these particular dates, you then can, the number of installments available to you. So I can join the scheme now by clicking here. Before you start, you must accept the terms and conditions. So I'm going to make sure I'm happy with everything and accept and continue. Tells me how much I've paid to date and how much I've still got to pay. Press continue. I can then say what month or what I want to pay in each one. So in this case, I'm just going to click on that one and press continue. Choose what day it is you want to make the payment. So I'm going to make it the end of a month, and then it gives me my schedule there. Press continue. I'm going to say it's for a business bank account, put my information in as shown. Then all you need to do is click to confirm you're happy with direct debit. And then you'll get the confirmation. You've been set up a direct debit for your deferred VAT payment. Now send you a letter to confirm your payment date. You'll get this within 5 working days. You collect the first payment on whatever date you've chosen, and from May we'll collect on the 28th of the day. What to do next? Before you leave this page, print or sign. So I'm going to print it and finish and sign now. Now, this scheme's been available for a while, but it's only just been available from actually signing into your VAT account. There's a VAT account everyone was waiting for that scheme to be available for, because it's the easiest way of getting into it. So now you have the opportunity to be able to get into that deferment scheme much easier than before, and it means that you're already logged in, ready to go. So I highly recommend taking advantage of it, making sure then you can decide how much needs to be paid, when it needs to be paid, and you can use that deferment as needed. Let me know in the comments below, has this been an easy process for you to be able to get this VAT deferment up and running? I know for certain clients of ours, it's been a little bit frustrating because they've never used their tax account before. They've never needed to because we've always done it for them. So getting their access to that VAT tax account has been our biggest problem. Hopefully you're not going to have the same issues though. Hopefully you'll be able to get in there nice and quickly. My name's been Aaron Patrick though. If this has been at all useful for you, then please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. This is exactly the sort of content that we're looking to do, making sure that small businesses are supported during this time, and that age-old motto that we strive for, which is we don't want small businesses just to survive, but we want them to thrive. And having the opportunity to pay by installments on their VAT deferment is definitely a step in the right direction for most businesses out there. My name's been Aaron Patrick. Let us know below if there's anything else that you would like us to cover on this particular channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll make sure you're always getting up-to-date information as and when it happens. And with that, it's been an absolute pleasure to do this video for you, and I'm sure I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah.
Hello and thank you for watching that video. What you may not know is this channel that you've watched this video from is part of a wider group. That wider group is called AppleCore Production, and the 3 channels that we have involved are as follows: Aaron Patrick the QuickBooks Chat, Boffick's Tax Tip. Finally, we have AppleCore Live and Geeky. All the links and everything are down below in the description, but it really means a lot to us if you can go and give a like to the other channels as well.